So for starters, I want to give a huge shout out to Macy over at Max Speeding Rods for sending me these coilovers over for my car. I really appreciate it. So before I get started in today's video, be sure to give me a like, guys. Well, guys, looks like it is the perfect day to do a coilover unboxing video. So let's see what we have. The moment of truth is finally here. Officially have coilovers for my 07 Civic Si FG2. This has been an investment I've been wanting for a very long time now. I can tell that these are definitely engineered quality. They feel very durable. Judging by the looks on these, I mean, can't really go wrong. So if you guys never heard of Max Speeding Rods, it's a company that was established in 2006. They specialize in car product performance and car culture. Pretty wild. They actually have a 540,000 square foot facility where they research and design high performance car products. So Max Speeding Rods is going to have you covered with hundreds of car accessories, coilovers, turbochargers, connecting rods, and much, much more, guys. Serving over 4 million customers and being in business 10 plus years, I'd say they're on top of their game. If you're thinking about ordering, you're going to be getting, for starters, this is going to be your front coilover assembly right here. You're going to have your strut mount for the top, the spring itself. Then you're going to have your rear. You're going to have both rears. All right, so here's the rear assembly, guys. This is the bottom piece. And then this is the top. Goes up through the trunk area. Going to have your rear springs. These are for the rears, guys. 2 of these. And then this is for the rear. These are your 2 coilover wrenches right here for adjusting the ride height, as well as the Allen wrench right here, which is going to adjust the coilover damper. So these coilovers here have adjustability on the damper, which is right up on the top here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a like, guys. Drop all your comments down below. Drop your coilover brand down below if you guys already have coilovers, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys are interested in buying a set of these coilovers, be sure to check the link down below and use my discount code GERB15 for 15% off your purchase.